Hey, in this video, you learn how to fix the Snapchat camera blurry issues. There's actually three things you can do right now to fix it. The first thing is that maybe there's an update on Snapchat and Snapchat are aware of it that can fix it. So to do that, you want to go on the App Store or Google Play Store and make sure you type in Snapchat and you want to find if there's an update option. If there's no update option, another thing you can do is go on settings, go on general, click on iPhone storage. There, you want to go to Snapchat when it loads. And by the way, make sure you give this video a like and subscribe if you're new, and also comment if you have any questions so far. I'll try to get back to them within a day. You can also offload the app here to kind of reset the settings. But another thing you can do to reset the settings is go on Snapchat, click on your profile photo, click on the settings on the right, go down until you find clear cache and make sure you clear the cache. This should help you out. If you didn't, comment down below. If you did, like the video, and I want to see you in next one. In the next video, bye.